Oh my goodness. I probably wasn't even recording this. I wasn't. I've been yapping on for 10 minutes and didn't even press record. That's horrible. But anyways, how you doing? This is After Dark. And if this is your first time here, I'm Big Bobby. But to you, my friend, you can call me the Tingle Junkie. You might notice I switched mics. Now, this is After Dark. This is when I can't sleep. And I gotta tear something up. I'm gonna, fix something. So I decided, hey, I'm gonna put my most favorite mic in the world on. The Lewitt LCT 440 Pure. LCT 440 Pure. Now, it's going to be different than my Heil PR 40. My Heil is a dynamic microphone. It is broadcast quality. This one here, if anything comes out of my house, you're going to hear it. You're going to hear any rumbles. I have a low pass on it right now, so it shouldn't be too bad. It's hot in here, so I got a little fan running. You can definitely hear that. On top of the coffee shop ambience I'm playing, there's the fan, hear it? That's the fan. But I like this mic because I think it gives me a little more, my voice a little more personality. Makes the whispers, I think, sound quite a bit better. And I mumble. I know I mumble. It's horrible, but I do. Now, with the mumbling, with that dynamic mic, things get muddled a bit. So, I decided to switch to this. Little more noise, especially in the lives. I'll turn on noise reduction right now. Okay. So, back to the story. This is going to give me a little more personality. A little more like I'm talking to you. It's going to make the whispers sound a lot better. I think you're going to hear a little more movement. All in all, I think it makes it feel real. Very real. And then I have the ambience in the back. I like these mics. Now, I can't remember if I already said it or not, but Lewitt does not sponsor these videos. This is my microphone. I like this microphone so much. I bought another one too. I got another one. Two Lewitts. You know Lewitt because they did good branding. That's the Lewitt brand. And you know what? I'm going to leave this like that. Because I dig it. But they also have this really cool pop filter. This is a pop filter. But this is also a pop filter. So if you're used to the big round thing, this is cool. And actually, besides Lewitt being a badass mic company, I like this. Sorry. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. But the Tingle Junkie rocked rhymes. Humpty Dale fell down in his hard time. Jack Be Nimble was nimble, but he was quick. But the Tingle Junkie put it all in this mix. No plosives. And it's kind of cool looking. I like the way it looks. But anyways, I'm going to save your ears for this one. But anyways, that pop filter, this one right here, it's magnetic. And they're really good. Now these mics are about $265, $70 a piece. Not the cheapest, but not the most expensive. But I really dig them. And I really use them. What else? So, again, for after dark, usually when I can't sleep, I'm going to put the blue backdrop back up. I don't even know if I said that yet. That's what happens when you don't sleep. I can't remember what I said. The blue backdrops. Oh, hey. Something I want to talk to you guys about. When I do these, every once in a while, I'll do a second shot, a second camera. But I do these in one take. So I don't, when I do these videos for you guys, I try to do them all in one take. So it's a little more calming, a little more relaxing, a little gooder. Turn that up a little bit. A little gooder. You know what I'm saying? I want these whispers to come out really, really nice. Because at some point in time, I'm going to whisper all the time. Most of the time. Some of the time. You know what I'm saying? But this is After Dark. Thanks for hanging out with me. It's a short one tonight. Appreciate it. Now go to sleep. Don't forget. Tomorrow. Cool. I'll have this. Cool radio. Come hang out with me on Sunday. I'll have this. And another behind the sounds, which I'll talk about. The new live stream that's coming out on the 29th. This live stream will be on Wednesdays. And I'm thinking 10, 11 in the morning. 10, I can't remember what I said. It's in a post. 10, 11 in the morning. Because I got some people in Ireland and the UK. And when we come on at 9, when I come on late at night, it's like 3, 4 in the morning there. So I'm going to start doing a live stream on Wednesdays. It's going to be a little different. It's going to be a lot different. Sometimes I'll be in here. A lot of times I'm going to be on the road. And I've got the live stream set up. I did a video about it a couple videos back, I think, maybe the last video, that I overthink everything. And I do. I overthink. So check that out. If you like what I'm doing here, you want to help out, buy me a copy. Better yet, become a member. I'm Big Bobby. Have a good one.